What's up? So today I'm gonna show you how to open Chanel Cosmetics. So this is Ultra Le Teint. This is a foundation. It works for all the serums, the Hydrabeauty line, some Sublimage, or any cosmetic products that has this push system cap. So most Chanel products are gonna have it. So I'm gonna show you how to open it because there is no way of really opening it like a twist cap, like Clarins, for example. So you're gonna take one of those sewing thingies and you're gonna slide it underneath right here so that you can push up like this. Be really careful when you do this. First, you don't want to break the cap. Second, you don't want to poke your hand, so you don't want to push in the direction if your hand is right in front of that needle. So we're gonna slide it underneath, and if it doesn't push, yeah, be careful. So if it doesn't want to go up anymore, you just go to the next corner. You don't keep pushing, otherwise you're gonna break that little thingy here. So here you can see like it kind of created a gap on the side, and here we're gonna push again up, and now it doesn't move anymore. So I go to, you can try the sides too. If it doesn't want to slide underneath, just go to the next corner, push again. So it really needs to be done evenly, otherwise it will not lift at all. So here, whoop, we're gonna push again. And by the way, guys, be really careful when you do this. Don't do that in a room where you have like white stuff or stuff that you're afraid to stain, because the first time that you're gonna do this, it will most likely fly out. It's a pretty, like, the popping noise from that, the straw. So like inside there's a straw. Okay, so like here I'm twisting. Once you get to that step, you can just kind of twist it a little bit, but as you can see, it doesn't really go further. Like, see, it's still stuck here. So once you get like 2 millimeters, you kind of just want to twist it a little bit, just so in case that there's foundation that is dried out and that just keeps the cap there, you just kind of want to break that off, you know. And now we're gonna do the same, you know, same as step one. Up, pop here, and it popped right away. So normally you have a straw here. I removed the straw because I've already done this, but it will most likely fly out, and there's a lot of foundation left. So it will stain something if there's anything white, you know. And as you can see, there is a lot of product left. Like, look at this. You can see at the bottom, like the foundation here, and the Q-tip here is full of foundation. So you have like a pretty generous amount, at least for like a week. There's a week worth of foundation in there, which is pretty insane. Same as the serum. I did 2 serums doing this, Hydrabeauty, and I did Le Blanc as well. And I mean, I'm still working on trying to finish it right now, so probably by the end of the week. But you have a lot of product left in there. So, and now when you want to put it back, it's really not complicated. You're just gonna put it on the top and make sure that the teeth that are underneath are really aligned with the tube. Now you're gonna put that back here, pop, and you're done. That was that easy. Voila!